Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Tab P11 Gen 2, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids. After that, you need to get this free app from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, open it and mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Now click on those three lines at the bottom right one and select Settings at the top. In this First Things First pop-up, select I accept and adjust all of those options however you want to. When you're ready, click on the bottom right corner again, but this time click on Set as Live Wallpaper. Now tap on Set Wallpaper and select the best option for you, in my case home screen only. So now when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!